Hello everyone, my name is Pham Nguyen Viet. Today I will read a book, Hiccups. Today Mountain is eating something is very tasty, right? And okay, no, let's see. And suddenly, Mountain had a hiccup. Look, hiccups. And Mountain come and some rabbits and look at that and reading a book. And everybody had a hiccup too. Look, it's a hiccup. Oh no, there's some more people there. Oh, it's hiccups again. There are also hiccups because it's eat too fast. Yeah, I think it. Oh. Everyone said, why we hiccup so long? Why is not the end? See, it's the even so the end of hiccups. Okay, everybody try not to breathe and like it. See, everybody use that and did it work? No, it's still hiccups, right? Mother said, why I can't stop hiccuping? And Mountain tried drinking water. And did it work? No. It's still hiccuping. It's making more hiccups. Now everybody use this stand two hands. Stand two hands. Now everybody try. And it don't work. And the frog came by. Frog sees Mountain is hiccuping, so he says, make him scared. Woo! Everyone fell down. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, we also hiccuping. Everybody say, yeah, we stop hiccuping. Look, everybody's so happy, right? Now everybody go play. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.